This is problem 12 from the 2021 DMC 10A. Bob is at the origin of the coordinate plane with a laser which it can only fire along the positive x-axis. There's also a mirror represented by a line passing through the point 3, 0. The mirror serves to reflect the path of Bob's laser across the line through 3, 0, perpendicular to the mirror. If Bob's laser passes through the point 6, 3, what is the degree measure of the acute angle formed by the mirror and the x-axis? Wow, that's a lot of words, so let's try to unpack it. Obviously, we see that there must be a coordinate plane, so we're going to draw that. This is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. We see that Bob is at the origin, or 0, 0, and there must be a point 3, 0, where there's a mirror represented by a line. We're not going to draw it just yet. Passing through this point, that reflects Bob's laser, which fires in this direction. And then it reflects it across the line perpendicular to the mirror. So suppose that the mirror is like this, and this is the point 3, 0. And then the perpendicular would be here. So if Bob's laser passes like this, then it must go somewhere like this. Then the path must be reflected like this. Alright, so now we got that. Now we have the point 6, 3 where Bob's laser must ultimately pass through. We can draw it as this point here. And now we see that according to this diagram, we draw the mirror like this, and then we have the perpendicular like this. And then Bob's laser must go somewhere like this, where it's reflected according to this diagram. Now, it must be true that this angle is congruent to this angle. In our diagram, we see that this angle is congruent to this angle. This is because of reflections across this perpendicular line. And these angles are preserved over this reflection. Now, this also means that by vertical angles, by using the x-axis and the mirror, we see that this angle is congruent to this angle. So denote this by theta. I'm dropping perpendicular from here to here. We see that this distance is 3, and this distance is also 3. This means that this angle is a 45-degree angle. This means that 2 theta equals 45 degrees. So then theta equals 45 over 2 degrees, or 22.5 degrees. Now we're done.